Now, Lassigne's test First step is called preparation of Lassigne's solution or sodium extract. Since nitrogen is covalently bonded in organic compounds, it is first converted into ionic form and brought in solution. The solution is known as Lassigne's solution or Lassigne's extract or sodium extract. Now let us see what is the procedure. A small piece of dry sodium is heated gently in a small dry ignition tube till sodium melts. Ignition tube is just like small test tube, but it is very thin, and when it is heated it becomes easily heated very fast, and it is disposable, and it is when it is heated and plunged into water, it breaks into pieces. That is what we are going to do. Take an ignition tube, put little bit of sodium in it and heat it so that it melts. The ignition tube is removed from the flame. That means once the sodium is melted, remove this ignition tube from the burner, and a small amount of organic compound is added to it. To this, if it is a liquid, add 2-3 drops of the organic compound. Or if it is a solid, put very minute amount of the solid inside this tube. The tube is now heated strongly in a flame till it becomes red hot. After putting the organic compound, it is heated again so that this tube becomes red in color, and complete chemical reaction will take place with the sodium and the organic compound. The red hot tube is plunged into a china dish containing 5 to 10 ml of distilled water. A china dish is kept ready with about approximately 10 ml of water, and this red hot ignition tube is plunged into it. That means it completely covers into the water by means of a tongs. You can do it, and suddenly this will break into pieces and a black mass is obtained in the china dish. That means the contents of the dish are heated for some time. After getting it into this china dish with this black glass pieces are there and chemical reagents are there, this contents together are heated again for some time. Sodium cyanide is formed during this fusion, dissolves in this distilled water. Excess of sodium is what we put in this ignition tube, which is not reacted with the organic compound, also reacts with water and forms sodium hydroxide. Thus, an alkaline solution of sodium cyanide is obtained. If the compound contains nitrogen, that means if it contains sodium cyanide is formed in this pieces of glass, and the other reagent is sodium cyanide plus sodium hydroxide. The solution is filtered. The filtrate thus obtained is called Lassigne's solution or sodium extract.